Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to another session of folding some origamis. In today's session, we're gonna be folding a cute duck. The problem with this cute duck, well, not say cute lah, but this duck origami, it says that you can make this from chopstick covers, but I found the problem is that depending on the length of the this is just a A4 paper, by the way. The length of this chopstick cover will be too long, and you will have to trim some parts. So it's a very specific size fold, so you can't just use a square paper. I don't have a square paper with me right now, but well, if you fold it, then it will look something like this. It's kind of cute. I mean, you can see that there's a beak here, but if you look at the side, it's just a folded in-out fold. So basically this is the good side of the duck. I personally don't like this fold because of the specific size they have to use, but they have some interesting folding methods in here, so I'll just fold this and let you guys see it. Okay, so first off, we're going to fold. This is I already cut this to the specific size of that too, but imagine if it's a longer piece, then it's okay. I'll just start folding first. So first off, you're gonna fold this in half. Okay, at this point, this is where it needs to be at a specific size. Wait, let me just confirm the angle, the fold first. Okay, so you need to make a 45-degree angle fold, but the problem is it has to be at a specific size. So in order to make that specific size, we can do something like this. We basically need sorry, it's a bit okay. We need 3 times the height of this width. So from this width, we can calculate from here. So it's like 1, 2, 3. So in order to do that, we can do something like this. We can fold this in a triangle, the corner in a triangle, and then from that triangle, alright, you can fold it in half. Well, not fold in half, fold where if you can see where the line is met. Okay, so you have one square there. So from there you can just fold one and then fold twice and fold 3 times. Okay, so when you open it, you have 3 squares. Okay, so you have 1, 2, 3 squares. So from here you can actually do the half fold. So now you can see you have 1, 2, 3, exactly 3 heights of nail. Okay, so the main reason to do that is we need to do a squash fold. So basically what we do is you open it up a bit, and you want to do something. Okay, I'm doing from the side view. So we did like that. So we open it up a bit. We need to do like something like that. Okay, so we squash it up. Okay, and then we fold it up. Then we fold it this way, and since we did the corner from there, we're gonna open this up and squash fold this side to make a triangle on both. Okay, so from here you just squash it and fold it in. Okay, so you have this very nice pointed, this should be the tail area. So okay, for the head, what we can do is we start from this corner, so we just fold a triangle here, and then we fold this triangle down. Sorry for the blur, I don't know why it's getting more blurrier than last time. Okay, I think I should start from the bottom, so and then zoom in. Okay. It's even more blur. Sorry about that. Okay, so here, once you've done that, so you fold this corner and like this, and then you're gonna fold it. Here is where you adjust the angle where you want the head to be. So maybe I want the head to be around, yeah, should maybe around here. So yeah, that looks good. Okay, so at this point, if your paper is too long, the chopstick paper will definitely be longer than this. So if it's a bit long, then you can actually just fold here, and just tear off from this part. So I think I can do another demonstration. Okay, maybe I'll do something like this. So imagine you already have the just do a mock tail here. Okay. Wait, how did the tail look like? Okay, so it's actually something like that, and then like that. Okay, so that's the tail part. So imagine if your cover paper is a bit long, so when you do the body and you do the head, so and then you notice it's really too long. Okay, here is where you would tear off the excess paper. So you just fold there and tear it off, and it should be able to follow the size. Yeah, so this is like this will be your size for the duck. So for me at this point, I already cut this to I already cut this to the exact length of my previous duck here. So that's why I don't like this kind of you have to really be specific with the length and size. But it's okay. So once we get to this point, you already tear off the excess and you get like this nicely shaped pre-shape of the duck. Okay, we open all back. Okay, now we're gonna do the squash fold, well, not really squash fold, it's a reverse fold. So we just open this up a bit, and we're gonna flip the whole thing back itself. So you see the whole thing is flipped. Instead of doing just one side, you are doing basically for both sides. So you have to open the bottom part a bit, and then flip the whole thing back. So you get the body for both sides. Okay, you get the fold for both sides. And now you're going to do the same for the head part. So you can already see the crease there. So you just again open, alright, open and then close. Okay, you might need to adjust the fold here and there a bit. Okay, so let me just try zooming. Because we're gonna focus on the head part now. So okay, now we're gonna do the squash fold for the head also. So just open up and squash it in. Okay, so we have this nice pointed head. Okay, So depending on which side you want the good side duck, so in this case I did the good side on its left side. Okay, so we're just gonna follow this. So on this side, so basically we're just gonna fold the beak a bit. Sorry, okay, we're just gonna fold the beak a bit to the left side. Okay, so we're gonna take focus. Okay, so we're gonna take the first beak and bend it, so that will be the bottom beak, and then the second one we're gonna fold it at a slight angle to the top. Okay, we're just gonna fold it slight angle to the top, so it makes that this open mouth shape. Okay, this is where you can generally adjust a few more, but for my case it looks okay, so I'm just gonna crimp that down so it looks more flatter. Okay, so basically that's the head, even though it looks a bit weird with this pointy part, but maybe we can just fold it down just to shape it. Yeah, if you fold it down, then it will shape much better. Okay, so for the tail, we did this very unique fold. We just open back to one side, flat it out, and we're gonna fold this corner in half, okay, to the center line. Okay, do the same for this side. Okay, and if you can ever, and then fold it back. Make sure it's everything is squashed full back. That will make the tail a bit sharper, and you just maybe adjust here and there, and there you have it. This is your duck. I think this is a better version of the duck because of the head. Maybe I should oops, I dropped my origami there. Maybe I should just fold this a bit. Yeah, so yeah, this looks much better. So there you have it. That's your duck origami from chopstick papers. The problem is I really don't like this, even though it looks nice in the end. I mean, it looks cute, like a duck and a tail, but you have to like tear off the paper and then do very specific size, and it's only like one-sided, so the other side doesn't look as well because of this. It's not hidden. So I remember I just did sorry, I hit the microphone. I just sorry, I'm lost in thoughts. So for any chopstick paper, there's actually a more practical. Oh, sorry, the tool is a bit laggy. There's actually a more practical origami to use with the chopstick paper. So I think I'm gonna do that in the next session. Is every time when you use the chopstick that has the paper wrappings, then there's a more practical usage for that paper wrapping than just throw it away. So I'm gonna show you that in the next session. But for now, that's it for. Sorry for the lags. I don't know why it's lagging. Is it because of the lighting? I think it's because of the lighting. Okay, so sorry about that. So, or is it because of Facebook? I'm not sure. So that's it for the paper chopstick duck for this session. So hopefully in the next session I'm going to show you the more practical way of using the chopstick paper. Okay, so that's it for today. Have a good night, have a good day, and bye bye.